Core system libraries failing because of the Format Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we get started with Format Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Format Library, a native Windows system library that provides the core logic for the Format command and the localized disk erasing dialogs. It manages the creation of NTFS and FAT32 file system structures. If corrupted, users will receive a Windows was unable to complete the format error, and the system may fail to initialize new USB drives or external hard disks. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scannow from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Format Library DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Format Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Replacing Format Library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Format Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Format Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.